Adrianna, let's go ask her some questions. Hey!
Hey!
Adrianna, can we ask you some questions?
Yeah!
Awesome. So what's your position here at the co-rec?
I'm an indoor maintenance assistant.
What does that mean?
I basically make sure all the machines are working properly, and I fix them when necessary.
What's the best part of working as a maintenance assistant? What's the best part of your job?
I get to learn a lot about the different machines and the different components to them.
What are you doing right now?
I'm opening up this machine to inspect the inside and make sure there's not a lot of debris in here.
Why are you doing that?
Basically, we just need to make sure that over time the machines will continue to work properly.
What's the worst part of working on your job?
Cleaning other people's hair and sweat off of the machines.
Are you getting any skills that will help you in your future career?
Yeah, so here, I'm learning how to problem solve through hands-on experience. In my mechanical engineering classes, we're taught how to problem solve through mathematics or through a process with pen and paper. But here at the co-rec, I'm given the independency to inspect the machines, fix the problems when they arise, and then problem solve myself to fix them.
What's the coolest tool you have in your toolbox?
I'd have to say this drill.
Where's your favorite place in the co-rec?
I would say upper fitness because it's usually pretty quiet and I can focus on my workout.
Can you show us one of the strangest talents you have?
Yeah, so I can cross one of my eyes.
What's something people don't know about you?
I was born and raised outside a small town in Nashville, Tennessee.
Who's the best soccer player?
Abby Wellma.
Who's going to win the World Cup?
Probably Brazil.
That's it. Thanks for taking time to answer our 12 questions.
Yeah, no problem.